All right. Welcome back to Why Math Why. Coming at you with an idea here, which is why mathematically, at least in this mathematician's head, it is so darn hard to stay in the moment. I'm going to show you. I'm going to draw this line, and let's let that line, let's call this point 0, right? Kind of like you've got a ruler, and we'll go out to some other value, I don't know, 1. All right, so we're measuring between 0 and 1, and I want to show you why it's so hard to be in the moment, because the moment is so infinitesimally small. It's already past you. You've been watching this video, and all these moments have already passed you. They've already passed me. I'm already thinking about the next moment and the previous moment. So why is it so hard to be in the moment? Let me show you. We want to get from 0 to 1. And you might say, no problem. You've got this stick figure guy here. I didn't say that I was an art teacher. I certainly am not. And this dude is walking. All he's got to do is boing, jump over here, right? Or maybe just walk over here, get his steps in for the day. And he's there, right? He's at 1, no problem. Okay, but here's the thing though. What if this person wanted to break down this distance from 0 to 1 into a very, very small increments? So small that we can't even see the increments. Now, physically, we don't have the control to walk in super, super small increments to the point where they're infinitesimally small. And you think, what is infinitesimally small? Well, what's infinitesimally big? Infinitesimally big is, if you think about it, continuing to go in a direction and never stopping, which eventually we would have to stop. I don't mean to be morbid about it, but we would have to. We're finite beings. But we can think about infinity and how big it is. Let's think about how small it can be. So I want to get to as close to 1 as possible, right? So how do we do that? Well, let's see. Let's get to 0.9, right, wherever 0.9 is. And then this person who's walking says, well, I can get a little bit closer. I'll go to 0.99, right? But then that person says, you know what? I can get even closer. I'll go to 0.99. And then I'll go to 0.9999, and so on and so forth, where that person will never actually get to 1. But I mean, for all intents and purposes, they've gotten to 1. So this is why, in my mind, and this will just be a quick video, it is so difficult to think about the moment. Because the moment passes you because it's smaller than the difference between that 1 and this 0.9999. It's smaller than that because the instant that you think of it, oh, it's gone. Oh, it's gone again. So how do we approach the moment? I don't know philosophically. I really don't. I'm not one of those Zen people that can get there. But I do know I can think about it mathematically and think about how infinitesimally small a moment is. So if you're ever in the moment, let me know how you got there. But I think it's pretty cool talking about how you could get so small and so close to where you want to go and never actually get there, while at the same time, not actually realize how small those moments are. Because the second we're at 0.99, we've already moved to 0.99999, and so on and so forth. So just something to think about. Not really anything too terribly calculation intensive today, but just thought it was a neat philosophical thought. All right, I hope you keep getting to use some math in your life, or maybe this has just kind of elicited some thoughts in your head. Either way, keep mathing hard, y'all. See you in the next time. I'll try not to make it as long of a hiatus in between. Business has been crazy lately. So I've been in a math world, but just not in this video math world that I love to give to you peeps. Take good care.